everyone, welcome to Module 2 of our Comprehensive Scrum Master Training course. Before we dive into today's topic, let's quickly recap what we have covered in our last sessions. In our initial lectures of Module 1, we explored the foundational value and principles of Agile, providing a comprehensive overview of the Agile Manifesto, the Scrum framework where we discussed the roles, events, and artifacts that form the backbone of Scrum. In this session, we will go deeper into the responsibilities of a Scrum Master, exploring how this important role drives the success of Scrum teams. Let's start by exploring the core responsibilities of Scrum Master. This role goes far beyond a title. It's about enabling and empowering the Scrum team. One of the primary responsibilities of Scrum Master is to facilitate Scrum events. These events are the heartbeat of the Scrum framework, providing opportunities for inspection and adaptation. The core objective of Scrum Master in a sprint planning is to ensure a shared understanding of the Scrum goal. During sprint planning, the Scrum Master facilitates collaborative discussion among the Scrum team, product owner, development team, and sometimes stakeholders. The core objective to ensure a shared understanding of the sprint goal and a clear plan for the upcoming work. The daily Scrum or daily stand-up is a short focus meeting. The Scrum Master facilitates this event to ensure it remains a time-boxed collaborative space. The main objective to keeping the team synchronized, identifying potential impediments, and planning for the next 24 hours. For the sprint review, the Scrum Master ensures that the event is an open and transparent demonstration of the completed work. The main objective is gathering feedback from the stakeholders and refining the product backlog based on insights. In the sprint retrospective, the Scrum Master guides the team through a reflective session. The objective of this is to identifying what went well, what could be improved, and planning actionable items for the next sprint. Our role of the Scrum Master is to be problem solver. They actively work to identify and eliminate impediments that hinder the team progress. Scrum Master have a keen eye of identifying impediments, anything that slow down or obstruct the team. For example, block tasks, communication issues, internal or external dependencies, or anything that hamper the team's efficiency. Once identified, the Scrum Master collaborates with the team to address impediments promptly. Approach could be to solve any impediment, finding creative solution, coordinating with stakeholders, or facilitating discussions to remove roadblocks. The concept of servant leadership is ingrained in the Scrum Master role. It's about leading by serving the team. A servant leadership supports the team in various ways, empowering them, providing resources, and ensuring a positive work environment. The focus is to enabling the team to perform at their best and achieve their goals. Servant leaders foster an environment of autonomy, encouraging the team to make decisions and take ownership of their task. The expected outcome of this is to have teams that feel empowered, are more likely to innovate, and deliver high-quality results. Servant leadership instills a mindset of continuous improvement within the team. Its approach is to facilitating retrospective, encourage feedback, and creating a culture that values learning and growth. Creating a team that consistently delivers exceptional results involves understanding and nourishing various elements. First and foremost, let's talk about the team dynamics and collaboration. Team dynamics refers to the interaction, relationship, and overall synergy within a group. A high-performing team is one where individuals collaborate seamlessly to achieve collective success. In a high-performing team, you will observe a few key characteristics. Open communication. Team members communicate openly, sharing ideas, feedback, and information transparently. Trust. Trust is the foundation of strong team dynamics, allowing members to rely on each other and work cohesively. Respect, that is the most important. Mutual respect for diverse perspectives and contributions foster a positive collaborative environment. To foster effective collaboration within a team, establish clear communication channels, ensure that information flows freely and is easily accessible to all team members. Encourage open dialogue. Create an environment where team members feel comfortable sharing their thoughts and opinions. Promote a culture of trust. Building trust involves demonstrating reliability, competence, and integrity. Moving to our next aspect, motivation and empowerment. Motivated and empowered team members are the driving force behind high performance. Motivation is the engine that propels individuals to excel in their work. In a high-performance team, motivation is often aligned with shared objectives, creating a collective sense of purpose. Empowerment involves gathering individuals the authority and autonomy to take ownership of their work. Empowered team members feel like a sense of control and responsibility, contributing to a culture of accountability. The benefit of having motivated and empowered team members include increased job satisfaction, creativity, and a willingness to go above and beyond their assigned roles. To sustain high performance, it's essential to continually nurture the team dynamics, collaboration, motivation, and empowerment. It is an ongoing process that requires attention and commitment. In conclusion, building and sustaining high-performing team is a holistic effort. By understanding team dynamics, promoting effective collaboration, motivation, and empowering team members, we create an environment where success becomes a collective achievement. Communication and stakeholder management. In this segment, we are delving into the crucial aspects of communication and stakeholder management. These elements are fundamental to the success of any Scrum team and projects they undertake. Let's start with effective communication strategies. Communication is the lifeblood of any successful team. It involves more than just transmitting information. It's about ensuring that everyone involved understands, interprets, and acts upon the information in a way that aligns with the team goals. One strategy of effective communication is to ensure that messages are clear and concise. This involves conveying information in a straightforward manner, avoiding unnecessary complexity, and eliminating ambiguity as well. Communication is a two-way street. Active listening is a key component, ensuring that team members not only hear but truly understand and engage within the information being shared. It fosters an environment of collaboration and mutual understanding. Selecting the right communication channel is crucial, whether it is face-to-face meetings, emails, or collaboration tools. Each channel has its own strength. Effective communication involves choosing the most appropriate channel for the context and the information being conveyed. Now, let's shift our focus to working with product owners and stakeholders. These individuals play a pivotal role in the success of the project, and effective collaboration is key. Product owners are essential members of the Scrum team. They bring insights into the product vision and requirements. Collaborating with product owners involves regular communication, understanding their priorities, and ensuring that the development work aligns with the overall product goals. Beyond product owners, stakeholders are individuals or groups with an interest in the project. Effective stakeholder management involves engaging them with regularly, gathering feedback, and keeping them informed about the project progress. Understanding and addressing stakeholders' expectations is crucial. Clear communication about project timeline, potential challenges, and expected outcomes helps manage expectations and build a collaborative relationship. The benefits of effective communication with stakeholders include increased project transparency, improved decision making, and a higher likelihood of project success. It's about creating a shared understanding and ensuring everyone is on the same page. In conclusion, effective communication strategies and stakeholder management are integral to project success. By fostering clear communication within the team and establishing strong collaboration with product owners and stakeholders, we create a foundation for successful project delivery. So Scrum Master, it's time to put your knowledge to the test. The quiz will evaluate your understanding of the advanced concept covered in the Module 2 Scrum Master Role Deep Dive. Get ready for some thought-provoking questions. All the questions are mentioned in the description of this lecture. Next step is to put theory into practice with a hands-on assignment. This assignment is designed to reinforce your understanding of the Scrum Master role and its practical application in real-world scenarios. All the details of assignment is mentioned in this lecture description. In wrapping up Module 2, we have explored the intricate responsibilities of a Scrum Master, from facilitating Scrum events and removing impediments to embodying the principles of servant leadership. The Scrum Master plays a crucial role in fostering a culture of collaboration and continuous improvement. Also, we looked into the essential concepts of Scrum Master and Scrum team. In our next session, we will shift our focus to Module 3, where we will delve into advanced Scrum Master concepts. Until then, happy learning and stay curious for the next session.